punctuation? We have done.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done full stops. We have done capital letters. We have done question mark. We have done commas. We have done.
X.
Isn't it? These
Exclamation mark also.
Exclamation mark also. So these things we have completed. So now we will start apostrophe. Before apostrophe, some exercises are left for capital letters, and it is actually to punctuate. Earlier we were doing contraction. Okay, in so you people told that.
मैम आपका साउंड नहीं आ रहा क्लियर.
Okay, now is it clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have done worksheet number 9. Had we completed worksheet number 9?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Worksheet number 9A we have done. Worksheet number 9B. What is there in worksheet number 9B? Complete the following statement. Pairs of words connected by and separated by commas.
Ma'am, C.
C. What is there in C? Read the following newspaper reports and punctuate them appropriately with capital letters, full stop, and commas. Also, it is very easy. Should I give you any homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
worksheet number 9, C and D. Worksheet number 10. And worksheet number 11. Just they are to punctuate. Nothing in worksheet number 11 also. Nothing special is there. What is there in worksheet number 11? Read the following sentences. Yes, that's my jacket. Your Majesty, I am the owner of the house. I am reading page number 34. Worksheet number 11.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, worksheet number 10 is also homework.
Worksheet number 9, C and D. Worksheet number 10. You are supposed to write. Conversation is there. What is there? Something. Shopping list. Shopping list has been given. In worksheet number 10, what is written? Look at the given list below. Look at the list given below. This is a list of things two friends sharing a flat need to buy. Shopping list, dustbins, 2 pens, 5, tomato ketchup, 2 bottles, paper napkins, 1 packet, 2 apple and bananas, scribbling pad, 1 dozen, cake, flower pot, 6. Now complete the dialogue that takes place between the two friends. Okay? Two friends, they are sharing a flat and they have made a list, and now they want to discuss that whether they are doing correct if they are purchasing these things. So what is question, Reena? Why do you need 2 dustbins? Anita, the one is for in the kitchen, as is evident, is too small. Okay, Reena. And why? May I know, do you need the second? I am writing a book these days, you see, so I need one for my study.
आधा 50% यूज हो गया.
What happened? Any problem is there? Is there any problem?
1.5 GB वाला थोड़ी है.
No in
No.
between conversation. No in between conversation. Stop it. I don't want to mute you people in the way you people cannot unmute yourself. But don't take extra advantage. Isn't it? When I will say you to unmute yourself, you people will unmute yourself. Otherwise, you will stay muted. And one thing more, it was told that every student will write their name, class, section, and roll number. Their identification, how attendance is coming. Now Snap Homework is giving attendance if you have, if you are in the class, and if you will not write your name, suppose instead of your name, your mama's name is coming, how can I give attendance to your mama? How can I recognize? So for that, it is very important. You are supposed to come with your name, class, section, and roll number. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Clear? You are supposed to complete rest of the conversation. Worksheet number 11. Read the following sentences. Yes, that's my jacket. Your Majesty, I am the owner of the house. Thank you. I would be glad to come. She is such a beautiful baby, isn't she? Excuse me, sir. Is that Yoka? What is written? What do you notice about the uses of the word yes, your majesty, sir, thank you, isn't she, in the sentences given on the previous page? Now here I am giving you clue that is written in points to be remembered. What is the clue? Words, phrases like yes, no, question tags are separated with a comma. Clear? Words, phrases like yes, no, question tags are separated with a comma. Sometimes two commas in sentence 5 above from the rest of the sentence. Sometimes two commas. I am looking at question, sentence number 5. What is that?
हम लोग क्वेश्चन टैग कहाँ यूज करते हैं?
हाँ, क्वेश्चन टैग हम लोग यूज करते हैं जैसे अगर हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, suppose you have purchased a pen and you like it very much because it's writing very smooth. So you can say that this pen writes very smooth, isn't it? आगे बात समझ में? तो जब isn't it बोले, this isn't it is question tag. Your statement is clear? Here the same thing is there. She is such a beautiful baby, isn't she? But you are asking, means you are asking. You are telling something and you are asking, क्या ये नहीं है? So what is the rule for question tag? I think this was taught you in standard 5th. The rule is that if your sentence is in affirmative, affirmative means having, suppose that I have a car, it is affirmative sentence. If I say I do not have a car, this is negative sentence.
Ma'am, positive.
Positive or affirmative you can say. So when sentence is affirmative, question tag will be negative. Okay. This pen writes beautiful, isn't it? We cannot say beautiful, it writes beautiful because if our
मतलब क्वेश्चन टैग हम लोग वहाँ यूज करेंगे जहाँ श्योरिटी लेना हो.
हाँ, मतलब किसी का कंसेंट ले रहे हैं, अपना तो दिए और किसी का ले रहे हैं. वहां क्वेश्चन टैग यूज करेंगे, और अगर मेरा सेंटेंस निगेटिव है तो क्वेश्चन टैग अफर्मेटिव होगा, अगर मेरा सेंटेंस अफर्मेटिव है तो क्वेश्चन टैग निगेटिव होगा। क्लियर? अपोजिट होता है। यहाँ देखो क्या है, she is such a beautiful baby, isn't she? Up now, suppose that I am changing. She is a naughty girl. She is not a naughty girl. Okay. If I say she is not a naughty girl, it's she. Sentence clear हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If it is that here it is written, she is such a beautiful baby, isn't she? Sentence affirmative. Sentence is in affirmative. So question tag will be negative. And if the sentence is in negative, the question tag will be in affirmative. Clear? हाँ, तो concept clear हो गया? हाँ. Give your own statement number 5. What is the statement number 5? Statement number 5 says, excuse me, sir, is that your car? Excuse me. 2 commas are here in question number, in sentence number 5. First is that, comma, sir, comma, your car. Clear? Some students are still waiting. Maybe due to network problem, they might be out, because earlier 85 students were there. Now it is 80. Okay, I have admitted. Aditya and Aditya Ranjan, you people have not written your class and section. Why? Kuber, you have written your class and section, but you have not written your roll number. Priyanshu Tiwari, you have not written class and section. Sudhir Kumar, you have not written class and section. So your class, section and roll number, everything is must. Clear? So now, understood worksheet number 11. Is there any problem in worksheet number 11? Tell me, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Worksheet number 11A we have done, and now it is worksheet number 11B and C is your homework. Clear? So what is your homework? Worksheet number 10, C and D. Worksheet number 10, worksheet number 10, C and D. Worksheet number 11, B and C. B and C. Now I am going to start apostrophe. Clear? Do you know what is called apostrophe?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम जहाँ किसी
Ma'am,
बिलोंगिंग
मैम
के
बार बार
लिए
सब मैसेज किए जा रहे हैं।
हम
yes.
कहीं पे कोई बिलोंगिंग को अगर दिखाना तो वहाँ पे एपोस्ट्रोफी यूज होता है।
What is this good morning and all? It is not required. Someone is asking worksheet. I am time and again I am repeating the worksheet. Am I repeating or not? बार बार तो वर्कशीट नंबर मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ। अगर आप क्लास में हैं, इफ यू आर लिसनिंग टू मी, यू शुड बी अपडेटेड। अगर आप क्लास में हैं तो आपको अपडेटेड होना चाहिए, और उसके बाद भी अगर आपको पूछने की जरूरत पड़ रही है, मीन्स यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग प्रॉपरली। Whenever I am reading, I am clearly speaking worksheet number and question number. Okay. So apostrophe, where it shows our belongingness. Suppose that apostrophe, is it whiteboard is clear to you? No. If it is not clear to you, I am going to read it aloud. Clear? Apostrophe, to show that someone owns something. Apostrophe is used to show that someone owns something. Next, after the last person, if after the last person, if two or more named persons own something. After the last person, if two or more named person own something. Example of first, to show someone owns something. That's my daddy's hat. It is written question number in worksheet number 1, point number 1. It is written that that is my daddy. That is daddy's hat. Okay, so daddy's hat. After daddy, apostrophe is given. How is apostrophe given? In this way. Suppose I am writing Ram and L. This way. It is apostrophe. Apostrophe has been given. And next, it is where after the last person, if two or more named people own something, as in example 4. What is written in example 4? That is mother and Sheena's suntan cream. Suppose that we are talking about something that is owned by two people. We will add apostrophe at the end of the second person, or if it is 3 person, at the end of the third person. Clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, फिर
फिर से explain करूं? Should I explain it once again? Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So that
Yes,
someone
ma'am.
owns something. मतलब own मतलब क्या? जैसे suppose that this is my pen. Okay. If you say that it is Rekha's pen. After रेखा के बाद ऊपर कॉमा और तब एस होगा ना? Will it be there?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
ऊपर
ma'am.
कॉमा और तब एस. What is this? This is known as apostrophe. वो क्या बताया? मतलब ये पेन मेरा है. It means I own the pen. Clear? ये बात clear हुई?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second, what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the second sentence? After the last person, if two or more named people own something, suppose that this pen I have purchased. Suppose that this pen costs 20 rupees. I have paid 10 rupees and my friend had paid 10 rupees. So I cannot be the owner of this pen alone. If two people have contributed, both will have equal right. So suppose that I say that this pen is owned by Mrs. X and suppose in this way I can say you that this is Mr. X and Rekha's pen. This is Mrs. X and Rekha's pen. Suppose that someone has given us, Mrs. X has given me 10 rupees and I have contributed 10 rupees. So both will be the owner. So how will you write? This is Mrs. X and Rekha's pen. Clear? आ गई बात समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
After the S, if more than one person owns something, suppose that जैसे plural होता है, क्या I am talking about plural? S और ES लगा करके हम लोग plural बनाते हैं. suppose that sister is written. If we are talking of two sisters, what will be there? Sisters. अगर children बोलते हैं, childrens तो नहीं होता है. इसी तरीके से sisters, अगर sisters है तो एक sister यहाँ पे हम लोग एक s को omit करेंगे और sisters लिख के सिर्फ apostrophe mark देके छोड़ ये just we will give the apostrophe mark and we will not write s. अगर प्लूरल की बात करें तो प्लूरल में सिर्फ हम लोग प्लूरल बना देते हैं और प्लूरल बनाने के बाद उसमें आप apostrophe mark दे देते हैं. We don't add s. Is it clear? Concept of singular and plural, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, now I am talking about contraction. Look at question number B. What is there? Worksheet number 12B. Correct the following sentences by writing S.
हाँ हम बोल रहे थे ना
Means
कि अपने
by
मैम को
writing
बोल देना ना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप
singular
वाले मैम को दो
contraction
मेरी
mark for
क्लास
singular
टीचर है
number. No
उनको बोलना ना कि
conversation.
मैम
No
हम इसका नंबर
conversation.
देंगे
Background
व्हाट्सएप
noise
पे
is
बोलना मैम
coming.
मेरा ये वाला
Avni,
इसका नंबर
Sarthak. Okay. Now in question number 12, question number 12B. I am giving you homework. 12B and C. C is there. How will you write? I think everyone knows how to write this. Question
Yes,
number.
ma'am. आता है. Easy है
आता
वो.
है ना? ये तो बहुत easy है.
Yes, ma'am.
Will be, can't, will not, will be,
हम
won't.
5 क्लास में ही पढ़े हैं.
Yeah. Contraction mark. It was there in a standard verb. So complete question number B, C, D, and E. They are very easy. If any problem is there, you can ask. Clear? And now, should I start dash? Our next, because only 6-7 minutes are left, na? About 8 minutes are left. So I want to complete the chapter today itself.
7 minutes, ma'am.
Read this chapter for.
मैम आई विल का क्या होगा?
I will कैसे होगा? We will write
Ma'am, I apostrophe or L and double L.
Yes. I apostrophe and double L. It will be I will. Okay. Now I am going to explain dash. Dash, where do we use dash? To introduce a comment or an explanation. Dash हम लोग कब use करते हैं? To introduce a comment or explanation. Suppose that I say I like fruit, apples, bananas. That is written in your heart. I like fruits. Dash. Apples, bananas, mango. Here explanation is there. Which fruit I like. Understood? Everyone understood? One person.
Yes, ma'am.
Suman.
Yes, ma'am.
No, some more students are waiting. Okay. I have admitted. But I am telling you from next class, I will not be admitting you if you are not with your proper identification. Your identification is must. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
dash. Second point is there. Football player Rohit Palekar has set a new world record for scoring the highest number of goals. 12. After goals, dash is there. After goals, dash is there. And what is written? 12 goals in a single day. Sorry,
In a single match.
12 goals in a single match. So here explanation is there. So we have done with dash. My sister dash, the one who is a journalist dash, has won a national award.
Has won a national award.
Next, the angry man ran after the naughty boy. I will take you. What is there? To complete.
I will take you, comma, you dash.
Also, where we use dash
Punishment.
first to introduce a comment or an explanation, as in sentence 1 and 2. Next, if a sentence continues after the comment or explanation, 2 dashes are used, as in
To
sentence.
dash. Sentence 3.
Thus, my sister dash, the one who is a journalist dash, has won a national award.
Has won a national award.
Yes. So 2 dashes are there, and in sentence 3, 2 dashes are there, and next, and what is there in sentence 4? To show an abrupt pause.
To show break
Abrupt
in speech.
pause, break in speech, as in sentence 5. What is there in sentence 4?
4.
Yes, in sentence 4.
The angry man
Yes, speak.
ran after the naughty boys. I will take you, comma, you dash.
Yeah. Means how will you speak? Suppose that you are running after and you are running after someone. You are very angry. How will you speak? I will take you. Miss कभी होता है गुस्से से हम लोग पूरा we don't speak the correct complete sentence. So there is an abrupt. ये abrupt हो गया ना? You.
Yes.
You means आप जैसे बोल सकते हैं you naughty boy, you mischievous boy. Sentence is not completed, so there we put a dash. Clear? Till here it is clear. Can you make worksheet number B? Should I give you homework worksheet number B also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
B, C, and D. Sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
Number B. Only B is there. After that, it is semicolon. How do we use semicolon?
Semicolon.
तो semicolon.
हम सेमीकोलन कल पढ़ा दीजिएगा, हम बहुत कम ही टाइम में बचा हुआ है.
हाँ, जल्दी से सेमीकोलन और कॉलन दोनों है. मैं जल्दी ही खत्म करूंगी सेमीकोलन. सेमीकोलन क्या होता है? आज जैसे everyone wants to live long. सेमीकोलन. ये देखो एकदम complete वो paradox you can say. Everyone wants to live long, semicolon, but no one wants to become old. अगर आप if you want to live long, you will have to be old. ये होगा ना? लेकिन
Yes, ma'am.
ये हर आदमी काफी लंबा समय तक जीना चाहता है, लेकिन ओल्ड कोई नहीं होना चाहता है. So in this sentence we will use
Yes,
semi.
ma'am.
Next, to lose one parent may be regarded as misfortune. To lose, यहाँ पे भी semicolon है. To lose both looks like carelessness. Misfortune. अगर आपके एक पेरेंट मतलब मदर और फादर किसी एक से आपके रिलेशन खराब हो गए, so you are not in good term तो ये मिसफॉर्चून हो सकता है कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज विथ योर फादर और यू आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज विथ योर
Okay.
But if you have bad relationship with both of your parents, what is this? Means it is carelessness. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Means you have not cared for your behavior. Something was lacking in your behavior. Next, every man wants to live long. ये तो हो चुका. हाँ. So is it clear?
हम सेमी कॉलन यूज कहाँ होता है?
डिफरेंट आइडियाज के बारे में बात करें. जैसे यहाँ देखो, कोटेशन जो होता है ना, कोटेशन का जैसे फर्स्ट हम बोले एवरीवन वांट्स टू लिव लॉन्ग, और यहाँ पे सेमी कॉलम है, एवरीवन वांट्स टू लिव लॉन्ग बट नो वन वांट्स टू बी ओल्ड. आई बात समझ में?
No, ma'am.
नहीं आई. जैसे देखो, व्हेन वी आर कोटेशन जो होता है, कोटेशन में हम लोग सेमी कॉलन यूज करते हैं, और जब कोटेशन में वैसी बातें होती है, मीन्स यू कैन से दैट आप एवरीवन वांट्स टू लिव लॉन्ग. ठीक है, ये तो वेरी कॉमन यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट
Yes, ma'am.
है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट ये भी है, नो वन वांट्स टू ग्रो ओल्ड.